Hello students, in this video we are going to study about Standard 4 Chapter 2 Year to Year remaining part. First of all, let us discuss about homework I have given in last part of our video. So we have to put the names of the animals in given tables. First animals who have ears and can be seen are fox, elephant, pig, mouse, cat, buffalo, camel and cow. Second is animal has hair on skin. So answer is fox, pig, mouse, cat, camel, cow, buffalo and elephant. Third is animals' ears cannot be seen. So answer is frog, hen, crow, sparrow, peacock, lizard, pigeon and duck. And fourth is animal has feather on skin. So answer is hen, crow, sparrow, peacock, pigeon and duck. Now let's discuss about some question answer. First question is, in which list did you put the cow and the buffalo? Answer is cow and buffalo are put in the category of animals with hair on their body and animals whose ears can be seen. Second question is, from a distance can you see the hair on their skin? So answer is no, we cannot see their hair from a distance. Third one is, try to go near one of them. Could you see the hair? So answer is yes, we can see their hair after going near to them. Okay, now can you tell me that from all these which animals can lay eggs? Let's check out the name of these animals. Animals that lay eggs are frog, hen, crow, sparrow, peacock, lizard, pigeon and duck. With this, let us check out the names of animals which gives birth to babies. So animals that give birth to babies are fox, mouse, elephant, cat, camel, buffalo, pig and cow. Did you all notice that animals whose ears you can see have hair on their body and they also gives birth to the young ones, and the animals that do not have ears on the outside do not have hair on their body and they lay eggs, which means जिस एनिमल के हम ईयर्स देख सकते हैं वो एनिमल्स के हेयर होते हैं और वो अपने यंग बेबीज को बर्थ देते हैं, और जिस एनिमल्स के ईयर्स हमें दिखाई नहीं देते वो एनिमल्स के हेयर नहीं होते हैं और वो एग्स के थ्रू बर्थ देते हैं. नाउ थिंक अबाउट द एनिमल्स यू हैव सीन अराउंड योर हाउस और स्कूल which has small babies. Write their name in homework. One more thing to do. Have you ever kept a pet or anyone you know who kept a pet? If yes, then give me some answer of given questions as your homework. First is which animal it is or was. Second is does it have any name? If yes, what name is it? Third is who gave the name to it? Fourth is what does it like to eat? Some other questions given here or in worksheet. Let us now see about dinosaurs. All of you are excited to know about it, isn't it? Let us start. Many years ago, there were dinosaurs on earth, but not anymore. कई सालों पहले अर्थ पे डायनासोर्स पाए जाते थे, पर वो अभी अर्थ पे नहीं पाए जाते. We can see them in films. Which film we see? Guess the name. Yes, it is Jurassic Park, or in some others. We also see them in photos and books. Have you seen any other animals looks a little like dinosaurs? Which one it is? Somewhat. Hippopotamus look like that. Not exactly, but somewhat. Okay. Did you know which is our national animal? Yes, it is tiger. Do you know where it live? Tiger live in a forest. Did you know how many tigers are there in India? There are nearly 3000 tigers in India, but many are going down, which means many tigers are getting death because of some natural reasons, or many of them are due to hunting by humans. So here our second chapter is over. Thank you.